Good evening and welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for January 13th to the 25th. For the period for January 13th to 17th, the models are forecasting the pattern to de amplify as this trough here lifts out, weakens and lifts out to the north. So we're looking at the European ensembles, and then we're going to go to the 17th, and you see the trough has lifted up into Canada, and we have mostly a zone of flow at above normal heights across much of the nation. We also have a trough here near the Aleutians, and that is forecast to build towards the west coast. Now, all the models are in agreement with this. Temperature anomalies. Now, also, I want to look at this. This is the ensemble means, and that's forecasting the zone of flow. And you can see the deep purple near Maine. That's the lowest heights that are moving. Um, the coldest of the areas moving to the north. Now, during this period, temperature anomalies are forecast to be about 5 to 10 degrees above normal in the west, and also about 10 to 15 degrees below normal in the east. Now, the temperatures here will gradually amplify, and I'll show you that later on. Now, we're going to look at the period for January 16th to the 20th. Here we are at the 16th. We're going to start, and the trough is still to the north. We still have our area of negative height anomalies near the Aleutians. And then we're going to go to the 20th, and we're gonna see it go through time. And we can see the trough near the Aleutians. See right here, it starts building towards the west coast. Now, should flood the pattern with Pacific air. So now we're going to go to, this is the 20th, and it's near the west coast. And we have nearly a zone of float above normal heights across much of the nation. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, below normal temperatures still across this area here, as they have a trough still might be trying to build across this area. Now, during this time frame, like I said, I'm going to show you the temperature anomalies. Okay, we're going to see the warmer air start spreading eastward, and we're going to have temperatures about 5 to 10 degrees above normal here. And this is why I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here, because temperatures anomalies still might be as much as 10 degrees below normal here. For precipitation, I am forecasting above normal precipitation here, and below normal precipitation across this region. Now, another thing I want to show you here is the ensemble means, and this is we're going to start the period, and it's mostly dry pattern across much of the nation, except for maybe here. But then later on, I'll show you the next period. Moisture starts to increase here across the lower Mississippi Valley. So now we're going to look at the period for January 21st to 25th. Here is European ensembles. Still building that trough inland into the northwest. We have above normal heights here. This is at the beginning of the period. And then we're going to go towards the end of the period. This is the 24th. And you can see the European ensembles has a trough here in the west and very strong positive height anomalies over Hudson Bay and above normal heights across the eastern U.S. Now, also with this period, the ensemble means are also showing that. See, we have the maps are jumping around, but some means are also showing a disagreement. Now, along with the other models, this is the, let me see what model this is, the Canadian ensembles. And they're also shown above normal heights here across much of the nation with a zone of flow. So during this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures here, temperature anomalies again, about at least 10 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the Mississippi Valley. So that is the long range weather forecast discussion for January 13th to the 25th. Thank you for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.